The world has changed. Now, money isn't made just through hard work. It's made through intelligence and algorithms. You think you're just a viewer? That's wrong. You have the potential to control social media itself. I won't just make you a content creator. I'll make you a master of social media. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook aren't just apps. They're money-printing machines, if you know how to use them properly. I'll teach you how to handle all 4 platforms together and how to crack the algorithm to build an identity so strong that the world recognizes you. I'll teach you how to generate real dark income, money that isn't visible publicly but quietly keeps flowing into your bank account. My students who were at 0 yesterday are now dominating these platforms. I turned them from beginners into masters. I provided them with premium AI tools for free, and they have my lifetime support. Now they don't need to work under anyone. They have their own identity. If you have that fire in you, if you want to become a king on these platforms, then listen carefully. Time pass people and those who aren't serious, don't message me. This course is paid and only for those who truly want to change their lives. Go to my bio, you'll find my number there. Message course right now, and I'll send you all the details on how you can join my elite group and start your dark income journey. Now listen carefully, because we might not meet again. So follow now.